Hi guys, this is Forte, September 17th, 11:13 p.m. 2022. And then, after we got, talk about the membership saga, now let's talk about the actual market right now. For swing traders, please be real careful. If you take a look at the market, we are under the 50-day, 20-day, 200-day moving average, and it's looking pretty bad. If you were swing trading, that was your chance, that rally. You have many opportunities to enter trades. A lot of stock are moving during that time. And if you're an investor or more longer term trader, you want to start paying attention right now. This is where, so what's beautiful about the market is that it's really low risk if you know what you're doing, like relative to a actual business, or if you're trying to do anything like create artwork, create, sell games or anything, you have to make it, see it, and then see if people like it or not. In the market, especially in a downward market, a bear market like this, when a stock, you don't have to enter a trade to see if it works or not. All you gotta see is to pay attention to what did the market already threw at the wall and what is sticking on the wall. For example, the market right now, we rallied from June 17th all the way to August 17th. We are up about 20%. Now there are stocks like DJI where we have broken out, right, from an all-time high, and now we're sitting at 37%. So keep in mind the market rally 20%, the stock rally 37%. CLFD broke out from a solid, price tightening, volume tightening base. So I call this a solid base right here, right? We broke out from that and we went up 83% in that rally, right? And now it's sitting at about 32%. But during the rally, where market rally 20%, the stock rocketed 85%, right? This is one that I traded personally. Other names are IMXI, where when the market rallied, this thing also rallied from a pretty sound base around this area. And it went up about 23%, not as good. That's why I'm not in it anymore. I pretty much got out after the trade around this area. Another one is EVH, right? This one rallied. If I can find it, where did I trade the stock? I don't remember because I got out pretty early. This is when the market rally. I got in this one quite a bit later, around this area, which I got kicked, obviously. I'm out. And not that good of a stock. I'm trying to think of other names. I have it in my... Sorry, I should be more prepared for my videos, but I don't. I wing it. There's no script. Everything is, it just... It's like I take a shower and I'm like, oh, should make a video. And there you go. Okay, I'm got stuff pulled out. EMPH stock breaking out from a solid base right here, right? And then in the time that market rally, this thing went up about around this area, about 40%. So market rally 20, this thing rally 40. It's still holding up here, and it's forming a really solid, base, testing the previous high that it made. This EMPH looks phenomenal, right? And then we also have big volume coming in around here, meaning institutions are buying. The only thing I have a little concern is that this name is way too popular. Like on Wall Street, on Twitter, everybody knows about it. That's the only concern I have. Other one is SWAV. This thing also rallied from a solid base from here, and we went up 41%. Some other names I got are CLEH, right? This is what many of you guys that follows me knows Mark Minervini, right? He pretty much a low cheese, what I would call it, is his thing. And this thing rallied up about 59%, right? So now these things are the stocks that the market threw at the wall. And you want to be paying attention to if they're holding or not. If it's sticking on the wall. If not, then you don't want to trade. If they are, keep that in mind. Might be the trade I'll be holding for the next year or so, right? The previous leaders of the general market, Meta, Facebook. I like to call it Facebook. It's not Meta, okay? I don't know if you guys have seen it. Their metaverse thing, it's garbage. It looks disgusting. And what you can see is that the stock is dead. I don't think you want to trade it. You don't want to touch this thing, right? Market rallied, and this thing rallied about 17%. literally with the market. And now we're already made a lower low, down 20% since the rally, down about 62% from all-time high. That's Meta, Facebook, Amazon, right? We got the crazy Amazonian cults. They love this company. Honestly, I don't like Amazon. Ever since Jeff Bezos stepped down, I think the company has gone pretty shit. If you go try to buy anything from the Amazon, you type in, like, let's say pencil holder or pencil sharpener or any type of these little devices that you can get, the first entire page are Chinese drop shippers. I think that's what it's called. And there's nothing that's quality on it anymore except books, which is the thing that started Amazon. I think they're great for, you can buy books at a really good deal, and they ship it to you really fast. Other leading names are like Apple. Now, Apple is, this is the daily chart list. That was a weekly list. Take a look at the daily. It's not as good. It's holding up relatively well, right? To Facebook, stuff like that. But I'm not a big fan of this thing. When the market rally, it did rally quite a bit, 36%, which is, a sign of strength, right? It did also rally on really low volume. The market also rally on pretty low volume, so you can't really say much about it. But this thing did indeed rally with more than the market. So this thing could be good in the long run. Personally, not a big fan of Apple. Have you guys seen the new iPhone? Man, it's the same thing. Now that's just opinion talking. Don't take me saying that iPhone is bad, so the March stock is gonna go down. So far, the price is better than some of the previous strong leaders. We got AMD, which is also dying, Nvidia, which is also dying. I don't know if you guys can realize, this thing already made a lower low while the market is trying to make a lower low. Other names we got are Nvidia, AMD. We got, what are some popular? Tesla, one of the best names out there in my opinion, that also led the previous market. So people that are holding Tesla, perhaps hold this thing a little bit, but a lot of investors that are holding Facebook, AMD, and Nvidia, also other one to talk about, Amazon, right? Maybe don't buy them. I don't think they're good, but for Tesla and Apple, perhaps they're looking better, but I still wouldn't be buying them. I want to buy some of the, we're coming out from a bear market. You want to take great advantage of this thing, and now this is when you shouldn't be sleeping around playing games and just do nothing and wait for the market to turn around. You want to see what stocks that already turned around are sticking onto the wall, and that's the message I'm trying to send in this video. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and a quick last note for my friends out there that watches all of my videos all the way from the beginning to the end, that have no idea that what I'm talking about. Thank you guys very much for supporting my channel. Talking about you, AJ. Thank you, and see you guys next time.